This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to set up time limit on computer usage windows 11 step by step. Open Settings, choose Accounts, select Family Options, and sign in with your Microsoft account. Add a child profile or link an existing one, then open Microsoft Family Settings online. Under Screen Time, set daily limits per device or per app, choose schedules for weekdays and weekends, and save changes. Test the account to confirm limits apply. Open Microsoft Family, select the child account, and click Screen Time to begin. Toggle device limits on, then enter daily hour totals for each device you want controlled. For app limits, choose the App and Game Limits section, add specific apps, and set minutes or hours per day. Use the Schedule tool to block access during homework hours or bedtime. Save settings and monitor usage in the Family dashboard. If you're finding this walkthrough helpful, please subscribe and like to support future videos. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's Black Ice from the description as a small pick-me-up while managing screens. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can grab one if you want. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. After saving screen time rules, sign in as the child to verify restrictions trigger correctly at the set times. If rules do not apply, confirm Windows updates are installed and the device is registered under the child profile. Recheck Microsoft account links and reinstall any conflicting third-party parental apps. Monitor the family dashboard for activity logs and tweak daily limits or app allowances based on the child's real usage patterns to achieve balance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.